In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use audit logs to track activity and monitor changes in Microsoft Copilot Studio. To get started, sign in to the Microsoft Purview portal using an administrator account. This is where you can access auditing tools that help you review activity across your environment. If you're responsible for monitoring changes, troubleshooting issues, or supporting compliance requirements, this is an important place to become familiar with. Once you're signed in, go to the left-hand navigation menu and select Audit. This opens the Audit Search tool where you can look up recorded events and filter them based on the type of activity you're trying to investigate. The audit page is designed to help you find exactly what happened, when it happened, and who performed the action. Next, set the date and time range for your search. Make sure the time frame covers the period you want to investigate. Choosing the right range is important because if it's too broad, you may get too many results, and if it's too narrow, you might miss the event you're looking for. Taking a moment here can save time later. After that, open the record type drop-down menu and search for Power Virtual Agents or Copilot Studio activities. This helps narrow the audit logs to the specific service you're interested in, making the results much easier to review. Filtering by record type is especially useful if your organization has a lot of activity across different Microsoft services. If needed, you can narrow the results even further by entering specific usernames or keywords into the available search fields. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful when you're trying to investigate a particular change, action, or user session without scrolling through a long list of unrelated records. When your filters are ready, click the search button at the bottom of the form. The system will generate your audit log report based on the criteria you've selected. Depending on the size of your search, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds if needed. Once the results appear, review the list of events carefully. You can click on any individual log item to open more detailed information. This usually includes who made the change, when it happened, and what was modified. These details are especially useful when you're validating configuration changes or tracing unexpected behavior. If you need to save or share the information, click the Export button to download the audit results as a CSV file. This is useful for reporting, compliance documentation, or keeping a local copy for future reference.